Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 8.6 question number 7. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this 3 kg 500 gram is onions, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Let us take onions, onions, onions is onions onions is equal to 3 kg 500 gram 500 gram. You have to change the same unit. You have to change this into kg. Let us change into kg. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram 1000 gram, or you can say that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg, right? You have to change it into kilogram. Therefore it is 3 kg plus 500 gram, that is equal to 3 kg plus 500 by 1000 kg. Therefore it is equal to 3 kg plus 0.500 kg. Therefore it is equal to 3.500 kg. This is the weight of onion. The tomatoes is equal to tomatoes is equal to 2 kg 75 gram 2 kg 75 gram. Also change it into kilogram, that is 2 kg plus 75 kg 75 gram. Therefore we can write it as 2 kg plus 75 by 1000 kg. Therefore it is 2 kg plus 0.075 kg. Therefore it comes to 2.075 kg. Now the weight of onions and tomatoes together, right? Therefore weight of onions and tomatoes, you have to add it. Therefore you are adding, one is 3 point, weight of onion is 3.500 kg and the weight of tomatoes is 2.075 kg. If we add the numbers, we are getting, if we add, then we are getting, it is 5, it is 7, it is 5.3 plus 2, 5.575 kg. And what is the total weight? The total weight is 10 kg. Then that means you have to subtract 5.57 kg from 10 kg. Yes, right? Therefore here we are subtracting 10 kg, means 10 point we can write 0 0 0 kg, because after point there is no value for 0, then minus 5.575 575 kg. If we subtract it, we are getting, this is 5, carry 1, 7 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 2, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 4, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 4. That is 4.425 kg. What is the question? What is the weight of the potatoes? Right? That means this is the weight of onions, that is 3.500 kg, and the weight of tomato is 2.075. Therefore, weight of onions and tomatoes together, that is 3.500 kg plus 2.075 kg. If we add it, we are getting 5.575 kg. And the total weight of the vegetables is 10 kg. That is, we have to subtract 5.575 kg from 10 kg. Here is right 10.000 or 5.575. You subtract it, that is 4.425 kg. What is the weight of the potatoes? Therefore, the weight of potatoes, the weight of potatoes is 4.425 kg. Right? This is the solution of question number 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.